Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hello.
Today we're pink for a reason. It's p.louise Day.
Yay.
This is the p.louise Budget Box for August and we're going to check it out and see what fun things they sent us this month. If you are not familiar with p.louise, it is a UK beauty company. The p.louise company is primarily to help promote young makeup artists and budding makeup artists to be able to build their product line without spending a ton of money. So you get lots of kind of the same color family and different things that will help you as a makeup artist to be able to service lots of different clients. However, you can, as not makeup artists and not having clients and just people who love makeup, get the box every month or buy anything that she has for sale. And there's a lot of really fun stuff. The budget box is $41 a month plus shipping from the UK. So depending on where you are, it could change the shipping cost. So ours is usually around $50, $51, $52, $53-ish every month. So you never know, it just kind of changes a little bit with the shipping, but it's so worth so worth every bit of it. We're very excited for this one. It is did I say $41 a month? It's $41 a month. Okay. So now with this budget box, they send spoilers a lot of times, and they did send one for this one.
Yeah, on their
Was it on
social
TikTok
media,
or
TikTok?
Yeah, it was
yeah, TikTok, I think, and maybe
on a lot
Instagram,
of her social medias, mainly on TikTok,
Yeah,
but
mostly
Instagram,
TikTok.
actually Instagram, she's really busy on Instagram, but you can actually follow her on TikTok and the Makeup Academy and the skincare, everything on TikTok and Instagram, and there's tons of posts unless you get in on background stuff, which is how I found out what I'm about to tell you. So the preview video of this box, the spoiler, looked like you were going to get matching sets of things. A few days ago on her behind the scenes with me, I think, on TikTok, she posted that there was a miscommunication with the social media department and they actually were going to be sent at random. So I guess people were starting to get their boxes and complaining that this didn't match that. And so she came on and explained that she was very sorry and she has a lot of things going on and it was not an intention to, it was always intended to be random, but this is how it was supposed to come. There was just a miscommunication with the spoiler video and things like that. So when we get into the box, I'll show you what we got, and hopefully we got what we wanted.
And the good news is you can buy the matching sets on her website, which we already have an order once we find out what we got.
As soon as we know what colors we got, we're going to totally buy the matching ones. So
exactly.
We're p.louise hardcore, so
yes.
This is our box. You get pink, you get adorable, you get flowers, you get this, all the way around, except the bottom is the only thing that's not decorated. And the front of it says, all of us are a little fragile, babe. Spread your wings and fly. So, fun box.
Let's open it up.
We're very excited. Okay, we're gonna save this one for last, but this is the inside of our box.
This is what's in the box.
Woohoo! We already know we got the thing we wanted, so now we just got to get the thing that matches the thing we wanted. So we're gonna start with
that one.
This is the After Dark Bedtime Babe. Now, we don't actually know what's inside. Actually, no, it says Bedtime Babe. I think I know what it is. This is the skincare set.
That's supposed to look like a door hanger.
So this one was either going to be a skincare set or a set that came with an eyeshadow palette and eyelashes, which I don't care about having the eyelashes, but the eyeshadow palette was kind of pretty. But skincare, we don't have a ton.
So cute. Looks like a door hanger for a hotel room. And what does it say? Do not disturb in my self-care
era.
Yeah, my self-care. So it was like made it look like a hotel.
Oh, it kind of tears, but or it kind of turns, but
Yes, it's open as soon as it's fine.
All right, so we're gonna see which things we got. I don't remember what the skincare was. I just know it was going to be. And it's 3 items. I'm just gonna dump them out of the box, and we're gonna take turns showing you what we got. The first thing is Twilight Tonic Pillow Soft Skin. It's very shiny, so I'm trying to read what this actually is. This is a moisturizing toner.
Ooh.
Okay, so this is a moisturizing toner, and it says Twilight Tonic, and it's cellophane wrapped, and it's really pretty. You can see why it was hard to read. It's super reflecty and super shiny. I had to keep turning it to see the letters.
And I'm almost out of toner, so I'm excited to try hers because I was getting ready to buy the brand I normally use. And so, okay, so let's see what this one is. Okay, so the next product we have out is what we finally got with some lights. We could read the reflective. It's a moisture serum. So how nice it looks like. It has they're nice and sealed, so we're not going to open them yet because we have some serums we're using, but a nice, look, I'm guessing it's going to be like a dropper, and you can use this to let the serum out when you pull it out of the jar, but
Yep.
and it's called Midnight, and it's called Midnight Miracle.
Very
So
cute.
nice.
So far 2 out of our 3 skincare products. The third one is called Lights Out, and this is a refining primer. So it says it smooths and refines. So I'm guessing this is a makeup primer, which is really cool because do we have another makeup?
Yeah,
primer?
I've been using only her primer. Well, not only, but 90% of the time only her primer, and I'm almost out. So to get another primer to try,
Yes.
I'm excited about.
I did fully use up the one I have. Now I will say the one I got came in a tube with a pump, and there's no stem inside of it, so you have to tip it up, shake it all down to the end to get it out, and I finally figured that out, but it works great.
And the one I had was just a squeezy tube, because
Yeah,
it was a
it's a
different
squeezy.
type of her, another one of her lines of primer.
Oh, this one is not. Oh, it is. I thought it was taped shut. I thought it was a good
You can
idea.
open it, 'cause we're getting
Okay.
I'm like almost out here. We'll use primer.
Okay,
a lot.
so I'm
We
gonna
can
open this. I'm gonna open this one up and show you.
Oh, a puppy.
It's a pump. Okay, so this one's a pump, and this will definitely have a stem inside because you can't
Yeah.
squeeze it. But super cute. I like that. And again, hers was some of my favorite primer, and I spaced it out between other things because I wanted to make it last as long as I could.
Yeah.
But I finally used it all up.
Very good primers. Between her and Charlotte Tilbury, those were my favorite
Mm-hmm.
primers.
So this is one of our 3 items, and it had 3 items. That's one thing about p.louise is like single items are usually multiple items. So
Yeah.
it's really very
Like we
cool.
got a whole set in a cute little travel box. So let's open this one.
I actually forgot what this one is. But
Looks like a lunch bag. but
This
it's
says
squished.
hot contents made with love, take me away. So this is like a to-go bag, or the reason it says take me away is in the UK these are called takeaway bags. So this is best served sharp. So we'll see what's inside here. I did forget. It's closed with Velcro dots.
Isn't that adorable?
It is very cute. It says meal deal 1, order up, shades of the special, just for you. Cute. Oh, this is the lip liners. How did I forget
I
that?
don't know. I was sitting here like,
She's
I know
thinking
what it
my
is.
sister has lost her brain.
Exactly, because I knew what it was.
Okay, so what
Ooh,
does
look
it
at all
say
the
what
colors.
shades we got?
These are the browns. Look at the bottoms.
Okay, so I'm going to try to leave them in the little thing, but that's not going to work.
You just have to take them out and hold them.
Okay, so we're
It's
just
like
going to take
this.
these out. I'm not going to say. Krista's going to help me. Whoops. They tried to get away. Are there like a dozen of them?
Well, I guess we're counting like
I have 5. There's 10.
no.
Okay, so there's 10 lip liner shades, and these are the brown colors. So
Yeah.
it looks like we have everything from kind of brown to black, and
They're pencils, but her pencils are nice. I mean,
so it's sharpenable. You'll have to sharpen it.
yeah, you'll have to sharpen it, but her pencils are really nice. We have all kinds of shades.
Oh my gosh, look how easy that goes on.
Yeah.
I'm barely touching my skin.
It glides on like silk. I mean, her shades
This is gorgeous.
are amazing. Let me try one of the darker ones.
These are both browns, but they're slightly different browns, so you can exactly match your lipstick tone. You can go completely opposite and go dark and light.
But
Super pretty.
they are so creamy and smooth and like silk, and we already have
Yes.
some brown palettes.
So we don't need to buy the lipsticks to match these because we do have brown
so we can
palettes
see
for
which
this.
ones match the ones we already have.
However,
So the next thing is what I was hoping for. Look at this. It's called Play Your Cards Right. It looks like a Queen of Hearts deck of cards here. And we're going, and look, her little logo on the crown is so cute.
this was going to come in either this shade, a pink tone shade,
Or the ones that match these
or
pencils.
the brown tone shades that match these pencils.
So it was sealed, so we cut the tape, and again, there were some sets will have the matching pencils to this, some will have the matching pencil, the lips
lipsticks.
to the brown, some will have
Yeah.
pink pencils, and some will have pink palettes, so it's mix and match. But
Yeah.
again, you can buy these sets on her website. So
Yeah.
I'm going to get the
And
matching
I want to say,
pencils
are
for
they on
this.
sale now, or are they just?
I don't know if they're on sale, but I know that they were a good price already. So let's pull it out of the box. Look how cute.
That's very cute.
Looks like a tin for the card deck, and then there's a little lever
A little button.
to push open the tin. And this is a tin.
Somebody said it was a little tricky to get open.
Now I'm seeing why. It looks like it should release.
Does it have instructions?
No.
I got it. Okay, so you have to push kind of hard, but you don't want to, it's hard to gauge how much you want to push it, so you don't want to break it, but it's just, you're just pushing that lever in underneath the lip and then pulling the lip up.
And so then you have the
Speaking of
gorgeous.
Oh, it's so
this
pretty.
Is what, 12 colors.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, the reds and the, oh my gosh.
Those are so pretty.
So gorgeous.
I
and
don't.
then some lighter colors down here, but I was so excited to see some reds. I might buy the pink palette too, but I was most wanting the red palette.
I think we have a pink lipstick palette from her somewhere.
There's a plastic cover here on top to protect it when you start using it.
How do you get it off?
I'm trying to see where it's connected.
Oh, it's taped on. We had another one that was like that.
But then you can just put this back in there to protect
it keeps them from
your palette. So, and you have really deep colors, so like you could take some of these darker colors to make these lighter colors darker.
I want to know what shade that dark is. Can we swatch it?
Yeah.
I'm going to swatch a couple of these. I'm curious to know if this is like a dark raspberry or if it's dark brown or what color.
It might go with the pencils.
Oh, it's purple!
This palette just got better.
Oh my gosh, that is purple! That's like eggplant purple.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that color, you guys.
I have to swatch some more.
Oh my gosh. We're going to have to try these.
Oh my word, look how this one goes on like a berry.
Oh.
So I swatched this middle one. I know it looks really dark, but look, it goes on like a berry.
I thought these were going to be some shades we could never use. They were so dark, and they're so pretty.
I would have used them, people.
She would have. She's much more, she's a lot better at blending lipsticks than I am.
Yeah, I use dark colors. I use light, bright colors. I like bold colors. I use pale colors.
Yeah.
I'm like...
Wow.
Look,
so, and she's not getting a whole lot on her finger, but
these are pigments, and I mean,
I want to try one.
Oh my goodness.
I want to try this red one. It looks like a great Christmas red, but I'm wondering.
Krista's happy.
Oh, it's orangey. Is that really orangey?
No.
Okay, I'm a little bit colorblind with reds and oranges.
Oh, look at that gorgeous red.
Now that I put it on, I think
pink red.
It's a really pretty, but to me it looked orange on my finger for some reason, but that is so pretty.
Oh, let me try this one.
Ooh,
this is more.
Get more on your finger. Get like a lot.
This is more a coral red.
It's pretty.
It's like a, I don't know, kind of like an orangey red almost.
These other ones almost look like they're going to be terracotta colored. Kind of really orangey reds. They don't come off. They don't.
And so these two pans here are what's on the back of my hand.
Pretty. You guys, these are going to be so fun.
And I can't wait to get the matching pencils.
Yes.
This fall, wearing purple lipstick.
I might have to do.
And you may think
I don't
that's
know if
weird,
I can
but
pull
I can pull it off.
She can.
I've worn purple shades for lots of years and get lots of compliments, and I'm looking forward to it.
I don't think I can. So a lot of those are not going to be ones that I wear, but I do like them. I don't. Usually, because of my slight color blindness, I have to come out and say, Krista, do I match? And she's like, no, go change it. Or I just don't put on lipstick and it's like, find me something that matches what I'm wearing. We have this running joke in our family of this one shirt I have that I swear is orange and she says is red, or I think it's red and she thinks it's orange. One way or the other, I can't tell what color it is apparently. So
yes, thankfully I can help her out.
Yes, I have my
same true color and wow.
Oh my gosh, this was fun. So in total, we got 10 lip liners,
yes,
3 skincare, and a dozen lip colors.
Yes.
For $41 plus shipping.
I know. You can't beat that.
Thank you, p.louise. Again,
yes,
this is amazing.
Thank you.
We actually, we actually had a super fun weekend last weekend. We have so much p.louise makeup, and we still have our p.louise advent calendar, which is sitting over here on the end of the table still. So we invited some friends and their daughters over this past weekend for a makeup party, and we brought out so much, a half a table full of not even all of our makeup, but eyeshadow palettes and blush palettes and bronzers and everything. Let the girls just go crazy, and they had the best fun with it. So it's really fun makeup. It's fun to have. It's fun to use. It's fun to share.
Get out of your comfort zone, and people, y'all know who you are that love makeup. Y'all need to subscribe and have some fun.
And it's not just makeup. You get the skincare.
Yeah, the skincare and the tools.
And for me, all my colors today are p.louise. Eyeshadow, blush. My lip gloss is a lip drip. I have my p.louise bronzer on that I did in a try-on video recently. p.louise, awesome fun. Thank you guys for joining me with this box.
Yes, thank you.
We always, we had not a most amazing day, and I knew coming home I would get my p.louise box unboxing done, and that would cheer me up, and it did.
It did.
You can't be sad around all this pink.
I
You
know.
just can't.
It just brings too much happiness.
No, it's color therapy. I think pink must be serenity. I don't know. I'm
Exactly.
making that up.
It's
but
your-
it's pretty-
yes.
Anyway, we love it. I hope you guys enjoyed going through this box with us. If you did, please hit subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on future videos.
Yes.
For now, from Beth and Krista, thanks for joining us on Beth Boxes. Have a great rest of your day.
Bye.